Well, a finely decorated Mason's Persiana dinner plate, 10 and 1/8 inch diameter, dates from around 1930s, hand coloured enamels in this really vivid palette that Masons are so characteristically famous for. A lovely thing, black rim in very fine condition, and let's show you the Mason's marks. There we go, Mason's round crown, patent ironstone china, Persiana, England. I think that's a C2425 decorator's mark. Impress stamped here, 20, looks like 23 or 25. It's an indistinct date impress mark on that plate, but it's in lovely condition and a rare example of 1920s, 1930s Mason's ironstone china in very good decorative order. If I just get a glaze reflection for you on the plate surface, occasional knife mark, but as you can see, all the glaze and the actual enamels in absolutely fine condition. A cabinet or display plate now, beautiful colour combination, vintage, probably antique, isn't it? 25 could, well, we're 26 now, so it's definitely antique. Even if that's a 23 or a 25 impress mark, I'd call it antique as near as damn it anyway. Available for sale, just the one, unfortunately just a single dinner plate, 10 and 1/8 inch with this black rim, Mason's Persiana. Thanks for watching.